This is Zichru Daf Simanim Gemara in Zevachim Daf Gimel, and Daf Gimel is going to be a Camel, a camel. Over here we have a picture of a camel. See someone on top of a camel holding a cup. He just won a race. His good friend, the Kayin, wants to make a party. So he shechs an animal, and when he's making it for a party, so he shechs it l'shem chulin. The problem is this animal was a chatos. So this is point number one of the daf, is that when we have a chatos, that is shechted l'shem chulin, is still kosher. Why? Because the lav mina loymachriv ba. When you chef something not for its own min, it doesn't mess it up. What else are we having at the party? Well, there's a chef, there's a cook over here, and he's busy preparing a scrumptious salad in a very unique bowl. It's a bowl within a bowl. Toch toiche, and as you can see, there's a little bit of a critter, sheretz, mouse friend that's creeping in over here. And that's going to be that even though the mouse is in the outer bowl, it's not going to make the salad tameh. And finally, point number three is what else they shechting. There's someone else shechting a chatas, but this time he's shechting it for someone else that was chayiv and oilam. And this is going to be the flip side of the first halacha, that if you shecht it for the wrong person, is going to be kosher. A chatos that is shechted for someone else that's chayiv and oila, it's not going to be possible. It's still going to be kosher. So our 3 points is number one, a chatos l'shem chulin, lav mina. Of course, creating a party for the Camel winner, Daf Gimel on the camel. We have the chef preparing a salad in a unique tach toichai type of bowl. And finally, shechting the chatos as an oila for a different person as well is going to be valid. So we dive a little bit deeper into these 3 points. Point number one was, again, they're creating this party for the camel winner on Daf Gimel. There's chatas shechta l'shem chulin is kosher lav mina loy machariv ba. So Rav was the Baal Memra who says if you shechta chatas l'shem oila, it is disqualified. But if you shechta l'shem chulin, then it's not. What's the reason? Because the mina, another carbon, another type of kachim, machariv ba, it's going to mess it up. The lav mina, you shech the chatos l'shem chulin, is not going to mess it up because chulin is not a carbon. Rava said this is a stira to the case of gittin, because it sounds like in the case of gittin, if it's for any woman, it's possible, including avodas kachavim, including a gaita who is lav mina. Answers Rava, no. If you remove the fact it was done for a gaita dal avodas chavim, then it's a stama. And what's the halacha? Stama by get is possible. But in our case, by karbanais, if you remove the intent of chulin, then it's a stama, which is kosher by karbanais. Point number two is the salad being created for the chef for the camel winner, tach teichai, in that unique type of bowl, is a blocks the tama. Rav has another stira that teichai sharetz falls into kli chares. Everything in the interior is tameh. But v'loi tach teichai. If it's a kli within a kli, then it's going to be tar. It's even going to be inside a kli shetef, an immersible utensil, non-earthenware, that is going to have the same halacha. We see that even a different type, lav mina, could protect from chulin. The Gemara answers that no, it's not considered a different type, but rather it's like a mechitza, which it does not block tumah from the other side. Says the Gemara, point number three, a chata shechta for someone who is chayiv in an oila. Rav Esi Barami is a different sirav, said a chata l'shem, a different chatas is going to be kosher, but l'shem oila is pasul. The lav mina, if it's a different type, machariv ba, whereas the mina, if it's its own type, loy machariv ba, so if it's another carbon, it doesn't mess it up. If it is not, then it does. This is stira to Rav that says a chatas that was shechta al misha mechuyav chatas. Again, this is a fine nuance of a difference. In point one, it was a chatas shem chulin or chatas shem oila. Here, it's not for a different carbon; it's for a different person. And the Gemara explains the chelik is v'keeper alav v'loy al chaveroi. So we have gzeras hakasav chaveroi dumya tidei shemechuyev kapara kamaisei. So in Daf Gimel, The camel, we have one who won this camel race, and his friend is creating him a meal. He's unfortunately shekti achatos v'shem chulin, which is point number one, which is kosher. The chef is making a salad in this unique tachtoiche type of bowl, which is going to block the tumah. And point number three is going to be, if it's shechted for a different person, it's going to be kosher as well. Daf Gimel, the camel, the gamel in Zevachim.